Art without colors and colors without art are like a body without a soul. Today's video I gonna to provide you free 100 plus command prompts of Midjourney related to the colors. As you know that the colors in art play a significant role in conveying emotions, setting the tone, creating depth, and bringing a sense of harmony or contrast to a composition. I will also show you how to use these command prompts to generate colorful, stunning AI art. Well, my goal is to provide you with over 10,000 command prompts in upcoming videos. After learning these commands, you will create unique, high-quality AI art that you can sell to the potential clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, etc., and other freelancing websites to earn money. So please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.